Hello, curious minds. What if one of Neptune's moons wasn't really a moon at all? What if it's a captured world, a frozen wanderer that was stolen from the edge of the solar system? Meet Triton, the only large moon that orbits the wrong way, and possibly a former dwarf planet like Pluto. Let's rewind the clock. All the way back to 1846. Just weeks after Neptune was discovered, a British astronomer named William Lassell turned his telescope toward the new planet and spotted something incredible, a tiny point of light orbiting it. That point of light was Triton, the first and for a long time the only known moon of Neptune. But what's in a name? Triton is named after the Greek sea god, the son of Poseidon, or Neptune, in Roman mythology. A fitting title for the largest moon of a planet named after the god of the sea. Still, for over a century this distant moon remained just a dim speck in telescopes, until Voyager 2 came along in 1989 and revealed the bizarre world hiding in plain sight. And what Voyager found was nothing like what anyone expected. Triton doesn't just orbit Neptune, it defies it. Unlike every major moon in the solar system, Triton orbits its planet in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation. This is called a retrograde orbit, and it's a major red flag, because it shouldn't happen naturally. It's like a moon going the wrong way down a one-way street. And that's not all. Triton's orbit is also highly tilted, which is another clue that it didn't form alongside Neptune. So what happened? Most scientists believe Triton was a rogue object, maybe even a dwarf planet from the Kuiper Belt, that got captured by Neptune's gravity long ago. That capture likely came at a cost. The sudden arrival of Triton may have destroyed or ejected Neptune's original moons, turning the outer planet's moon system into the strange puzzle we see today. But how do you catch a moon-sized object without crashing it? It might have been part of a binary system, like Pluto and Charon, and when it passed Neptune, a gravitational tug-of-war flung one object away and left Triton behind. A cosmic kidnapping, with a moon as the ransom. When Voyager 2 flew past Triton in 1989, scientists expected to see a frozen cratered rock. Instead, they found one of the strangest surfaces in the entire solar system. Triton is a frozen world, but it's not just a boring ice ball. Its crust is a mix of frozen nitrogen, methane, carbon dioxide, and water ice. What's truly bizarre is how smooth parts of Triton are. There are very few impact craters, meaning the surface is geologically young. It's been resurfaced relatively recently, possibly by internal activity. Then there's the legendary cantaloupe terrain. Yes, that's what scientists actually call it. This strange, wrinkled pattern stretches across huge areas of Triton, and we still don't fully understand how it formed. It might be the result of surface collapse, cryovolcanism, or even freezing and thawing cycles beneath the crust. There are also long dark streaks across the surface, signs of geysers or plumes ejecting material and painting the ice as it falls back down. Triton isn't just frozen, it's active, and that raises a big question. What's going on underneath all that ice? Triton may orbit billions of kilometers from the sun, but it's alive in its own frozen way. When Voyager 2 flew past in 1989, it captured something no one expected. Active geysers erupting from the surface. Nitrogen geysers shooting 8 kilometers high with dark plumes that stretch for hundreds of kilometers across the icy crust. These eruptions aren't like Earth's volcanoes. They're powered by sunlight warming Triton's thin, translucent ice, causing pressure to build beneath the surface. Eventually, that pressure bursts upward, releasing nitrogen gas and dust into the atmosphere. Yes, Triton has an atmosphere. It's extremely thin, made mostly of nitrogen with a hint of methane, and it clings to the moon's surface like a fragile shell. Even stranger, Triton's atmosphere changes with the seasons. As Triton moves in its 165-year orbit around the sun, parts of the surface warm up and sublimate, thickening the atmosphere. Later it freezes again, thinning it out. A frozen moon with seasons, geysers, and an active atmosphere. What kind of world is this? And what else could be stirring beneath that icy crust? Triton is different, too different. It orbits backward, it's tilted, it's geologically young, and it may have once roamed the outer solar system freely. So, how did it end up orbiting Neptune? Most scientists agree, Triton wasn't born around Neptune. It was captured, possibly from the Kuiper Belt, a region filled with icy bodies like Pluto. One leading theory? Triton was once part of a binary system, 2 objects orbiting each other, like Pluto and Charon. As they passed too close to Neptune, a gravitational tug-of-war began. One object was flung into deep space, and the other, Triton, was caught. One world stolen, the other sacrificed. that capture would have been violent. As Triton settled into orbit, its gravity likely wreaked havoc on Neptune's original moons, pulling them out of orbit or smashing them together. This may explain why Neptune's current moon system is so sparse, and why Triton is Neptune's largest by far. Captured, chaotic, and alone. But if it was captured, what lies inside this ancient wanderer? Triton may be frozen on the outside, but deep inside it could be hiding a secret. A hidden ocean. Scientists believe that beneath Triton's icy crust there may be a layer of slushy, salty water, kept warm not by the sun, but by tidal heating. When Triton was captured by Neptune, its orbit was likely elliptical and unstable. That caused intense gravitational stretching, flexing the moon's interior and generating heat through friction. Over time, that heat may have melted part of the ice layer, forming a subsurface ocean, possibly tens of kilometers below the surface. Even today, Triton's geysers, smooth terrain and young surface all suggest ongoing activity. Hints that something may still be stirring below. And where there's liquid water, there's always the question of life. Could Triton, this stolen, frozen world, actually be habitable? We don't know yet. But if there's one thing the outer solar system keeps teaching us, it's never to underestimate the moons. So, will we ever go back and find out? So far, we've only had one close look at Triton, when Voyager 2 zoomed past in 1989. That brief encounter transformed our understanding of this icy world, revealing its geysers, strange surface, and thin atmosphere. But Voyager 2 was just a flyby, a quick snapshot of a faraway moon. To truly unlock Triton's secrets, we need to return, with missions designed to orbit, land, and explore. NASA's proposed Triton mission aims to do just that, to map Triton's surface in detail, analyze its atmosphere, and search for signs of that hidden ocean. If we can confirm an ocean beneath the ice, it would make Triton one of the most exciting places to look for life beyond Earth. Exploring Triton could also teach us about the outer solar system's history, and how planets and moons migrate and capture one another. The question is, when will we be ready to send a spacecraft back? The future of space exploration might depend on answers buried beneath Triton's icy crust. Triton was aiming for a 2025 launch and a 2038 arrival, but it was passed over in favor of Venus missions. New Discovery mission proposals are typically considered every 4 years, so there's still hope for a Triton mission down the line. Other concept missions, like the higher-cost New Frontiers-class Triton Ocean World Surveyor or Nautilus, and innovative ideas like the Triton Hopper, designed to leap across the moon's surface, are also being explored. However, none of these are currently active missions. Exploring Triton remains a dream on the horizon, but one that could reshape our understanding of the outer solar system when the time comes. Triton may be Neptune's moon, but its heart belongs to another world, one we may never fully understand. Could it still hide an ocean beneath its icy crust? Was it once a thriving dwarf planet like Pluto, cast out and captured? What do you think? Is Triton a frozen relic of the Kuiper Belt, or something even stranger? Let us know your theories in the comments. And if you love cosmic mysteries like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep looking up.